Welcome to abundance. This is the beginning of a transformative journey where you will learn to harness the power of your thoughts and intentions to create a life filled with prosperity and joy by first manifesting $10,000. Imagine waking up every day with a sense of purpose and excitement, knowing that you have the tools to attract wealth, happiness, and success into your life. Starting with a simple technique, you can manifest $10,000 fast. Stay tuned to learn how. You are powerful. By setting clear intentions and focusing your energy, you can bring financial abundance into your life more quickly than you ever thought possible. Simple steps lead to amazing wealth. By breaking down your goals into manageable tasks and celebrating your progress, you can maintain the momentum needed to achieve your dreams. You can manifest anything you desire. Believe in yourself, trust that you have the power to manifest the life you want, and the universe will support you in your journey. Open your mind to a world of possibilities. When you expand your thinking and embrace new opportunities, you open the door to endless potential and growth. This is backed up by quantum physics. You're worthy of wealth and happiness. Embrace the abundance that is already within you and watch as it manifests in your external world. Let's begin this exciting journey. Together we will explore just one practice that will help a life of abundance and fulfillment. The adventure starts now. Hold a $100 bill. Feel the weight of it in your hands. Notice the texture of the paper, the intricate designs, and the vibrant colors. This bill represents more than just money. It symbolizes potential and opportunity. It is energy. Feel it in your hands. See the crispness. Imagine the journey this bill has taken, the hands it has passed through, and the stories it could tell. This is not just a piece of paper. It is a key to unlocking your dreams. Manifest $10,000 quickly. Study the bill closely. Notice every detail. See the images. Read the words. Know this bill. Put down the bill. Now close your eyes. Picture the bill. Visualize the possibilities it brings. Imagine what you can achieve with it. See it clearly in your mind. It is yours. Feel the sense of ownership and confidence. Believe in the power of your imagination. This bill in your mind is a stepping stone to your success. Embrace it and let it guide you towards your goals. Open your eyes, take a bill in your hand again. Feel the texture of the bill. It is real, it is yours. Crumple it gently. Hear the sound. Money makes a sound. This is the sound of your abundance. Smell the bill. Money has a scent. This is the smell of your success. You are attracting wealth. Imaginations do come true. Relax your mind. Close your eyes again. It's time to visualize. Imagine a stack of $100 bills. Count them slowly, one at a time, till you reach 100 bills. That's $10,000. Feel the weight of the money in your mind. Feel the relief of having it already. This is what abundance feels like. It's not desperation, but the feeling of already having it. Relief. It's already yours. This is all about recognizing the abundance that already exists in your life. Now back to your imagination. Visualize counting $100 bills in a familiar place like your desk or table. Where do you feel safe? Where do you belong? Find that spot and let yourself relax. This is your sanctuary, your place of comfort. Place your money in your bag. Feel the security of knowing it is with you, protected and cared for. Let the reality of your wealth sink in. It is safe with you. You have taken the steps to ensure its safety. Trust in your ability to protect what is yours. Now you can open your eyes. Feel free to repeat the exercise until you reach the desired feeling of having it already. Right before you fall asleep is a powerful time to do this. You are deserving. Look at yourself in a mirror and acknowledge your worth. You have imagined the money that will surely come your way, and you deserve to enjoy it. Feel gratitude for your wealth. The universe has provided for it, will come your way quickly. You are blessed. Take a moment to thank the universe for this abundance. Now just let go of how it's going to come to you. Don't worry about it. Relax, breathe. The universe will make a way through natural means, and you'll just get the inspired thought to take action if needed. Plan to receive expected and unexpected wealth. It's yours. Feel free to comment below to let us know once the money has shown up in your physical world. Blessings.